You on? Okay, so today we're going to fix the yellow light of death. This is what it looks like.
Do it again.
And it keeps blinking. We'll do it again here. So there's the yellow light of death. As you can see, it'll go yellow real quick. And then it stops. The fan barely stops, it starts at the end. So we're going to shut it off. So you need to fix it. A few screwdrivers. First thing to do is take out the screw here. If you have a warranty, return it. If you don't have a warranty, you have to void it. You get away with doing this with a little flat screwdriver, but it's actually a star. Notice that the screw on the right top corner here is smaller than the others, but you have an S here, so when you put it back together at the end, you'll remember to put the smaller screw there. So a friend of mine just sent this. His warranty was void. He just went to the Sony shop to get it fixed. It cost him $190.
You guys need the card later? There you
go. So this thing is already loose now because you took the screws out when you took the cover out. So you unplug it from the back. When you lift it, be careful because there's a tape in the bottom. Just unlast this here, and that'll rip right out. So, same thing with this, there's got two plugs on this thing. Take the plug out from here, take the plug out from the back. Now this thing's actually plugged in here too, so you'll have to kind of squeeze it out, and there you go.